Let's begin with design. The iPhone 17 Pro Max features aerospace-grade titanium edges with a ceramic back, giving it a premium, weighty feel. Xiaomi 17 Pro, on the other hand, combines curved Gorilla Glass with an aluminum frame, lighter, sleek, and futuristic looking. Holding the iPhone, you instantly feel the luxury. The weight is balanced and reassuring. Xiaomi feels feather light, making prolonged one-handed use effortless. When it comes to displays, iPhone 17 Pro Max offers a Super Retina XDR OLED panel with ProMotion 120Hz refresh, ultra-smooth and color-accurate. Xiaomi 17 Pro counters with a 2K AMOLED panel, HDR10 Plus support, and 120Hz refresh, incredibly vibrant with punchy saturation. Apple's display performs beautifully under direct sunlight, with minimal glare and true-to-life colors. Xiaomi ramps up brightness to max outdoors, making images pop even in harsh lighting. Moving to cameras, iPhone 17 Pro Max packs a triple 48-megapixel lens array with LiDAR sensor and advanced computational photography. Xiaomi 17 Pro features Leica optics and AI cinematic mode, offering vibrant, dramatic shots ideal for social media. In daylight photography, iPhone maintains realistic skin tones and natural dynamic range. Xiaomi boosts contrast and saturation, giving photos a lively and eye-catching look. Night photography is another key difference. iPhone 17 Pro Max reduces noise while keeping colors accurate and details intact. Xiaomi brightens low-light scenes aggressively, sometimes creating an over-processed effect. Selfies on iPhone are natural, with wide dynamic range and accurate skin tones. Xiaomi's front camera enhances brightness and smooth skin, making images instantly shareable online. For video, iPhone supports 8K 24 FPS recording, cinematic mode, and superb stabilization for smooth handheld footage. Xiaomi 17 Pro records AI-tracked videos with vibrant colors, punchy dynamic range, and cinematic effects. Battery life, iPhone 17 Pro Max lasts a full day under heavy use, with efficient background management. Xiaomi 17 Pro's larger battery gives even longer endurance, ideal for gamers and power users. Charging speed is another huge difference. Apple's 45-watt fast charging is decent for daily routines. Xiaomi's 120-watt hypercharge can go from 0 to 100% in under 20 minutes, truly exceptional. Performance-wise, Apple's A19 Bionic chip handles multitasking, gaming, and creative apps effortlessly, maintaining high frame rates. Xiaomi's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is equally capable, with smooth performance even under heavy loads. Audio performance, iPhone delivers crisp, wide stereo sound perfect for music, movies, and calls. Xiaomi emphasizes bass and punch, ideal for EDM and cinematic tracks. Software experience is where ecosystems shine. iPhone runs iOS 20, polished, seamless, and integrated across Apple devices. Xiaomi runs MIUI 15 based on Android 15, highly customizable, packed with features and flexible. Connectivity includes 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4 for both phones, but Apple's ecosystem adds effortless integration with AirPods, Macs, and HomeKit devices. Xiaomi focuses on speed and flexibility, supporting multi-device sharing, NFC, and ultra-fast transfers. Security, iPhone uses Face ID, encrypted iCloud, and secure authentication methods. Xiaomi provides an in-display fingerprint scanner, secure app folders, and MIUI privacy features. Build quality, iPhone's titanium